Okay, we're going to put in some Zoeller pumps. I'm tired of battery backups. I'm tired of water backups. I had a water backup for my sump here. I cut that off. It doesn't do a very good job. So I'm going with some 2 Zoeller pumps with a upgraded check valve, which you can find all these on Amazon, eBay, wherever. There's a lot of good sellers out there. This is a quiet valve. It's very, very quiet. The biggest thing that I've done here is not only bought this Zoeller M98 pump, but I bought 2 of them. This is actually one that I refurbed, and I'm going to use this as the backup. That's why it's on this stand. This stand is sold by Zoeller, and you just put some of your PVC piping in there. And this is a great little thing because this can, number one, keep it off the bottom in case you have silt sludge in the bottom of your sump. Now remember, this sump is only for water. It's not for sewage of any type. This is just a water system. So these are 2 M98 pumps sold by Zoeller. Good pumps. A lot of reviews on them. Very good. So the one thing we need to do is, even though they have this hole on the side, I don't know if you can see that hole, that's where it prevents airlock, but they still on the box recommend that we're going to put about a 3/16 inch hole, probably somewhere in here, depending on how I'm going to set this in the well. It'll either be this way, whatever. But that'll also help prevent airlock, so it's a double safety there. But the biggest thing that I spent money on, and I'm sorry it looks terrible, but it's an SEC America power inverter. This is the 1622. It's around 869 bucks or so. And what this does is it puts a continuous charge onto a deep cycle that they call marine battery. You can pick them up at your Walmarts, your AutoZones, Sam's Club, wherever you do your shopping. Get a deep cycle battery, what they recommend. Comes with the cables. It doesn't come with the box. The box and the battery sold separately. But what this will do is it'll charge your battery, continuous charge, and then when your power goes out, it's going to take the battery power, automatically switch, and run your sump pump. Okay? Nothing you have to do. You don't have to worry about this battery. You don't have to worry about if it's discharged. All you have to do is buy this unit and you're home free. Now, I'm tired of fooling with all these different things, so I'm going to spend the big money now and hopefully never have a problem again. Hopefully. So anyway, that's plugged into a outlet, obviously, and the battery I think was about 100 bucks or so. This was, like I said, about $8.69. You can get them cheaper. Now you can see see that spray coming out of there? That's where my 3/16 inch hole is. You didn't hear, it just went off and you didn't hear anything from this quiet check valve. If you get a banging when you have your sump pump going and you hear that bang, that's because you need a quiet check valve. The ones that are standard use check valves, they don't work, at least in my house they don't work well. Maybe in your house they do. So anyway, this is what we're going to be doing. You see the current setup, and we are going to install this as a backup. So if that pump down there goes bad, this pump will take over. That's why it's going to be raised up a little bit so that the float is raised up a little bit. And it's going to sit down in the sump right next to the other one. Brother and sister, brother, sister, whatever you want to call it. And I will show you at completion what it all looks like and where I'm at.